Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the Racer Guide 3/4 riding gloves. The Racer Guide gloves retail for $121.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. These gloves have a couple of real strong standout features. The first of which we're going to talk about is the level of comfort they offer. You slide your hands inside these gloves and they almost instantly feel like a second skin, kind of become invisible. Break down the sizing now, right? I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have a 2X on in these. Like I said, the fit and comfort could not be any better at all. Who are these gloves right for? These gloves are right for any rider that is looking for a 3/4 length glove that offers maximum comfort with a ton of protection built into them. This glove comes complete with the Knox scaphoid protection system, right? The palm sliders that really take the level of protection to that next level. Typically, I only see this like on full-on race gloves. What are these palm sliders all about? Most people, when you fall, you're going to want to put your hands out to brace for impact. It's an instinct, basically, right? For that reason, with a leather or a textile glove, when it grabs the pavement, it can load the glove up and pull the seams apart, right? Or it can transmit a bunch of energy into your wrist and injure the scaphoid bone there. It's a small bone, very little blood flow, very difficult to heal. To deal with those injuries, many years back, Knox Armor developed the scaphoid protection system, SPS, to help mitigate the risk of that injury. Having those in this glove, it's a plastic slider. When they contact, a solid surface like that, they want to slide much easier than textile or leather ever would. So it helps to promote sliding versus loading it up. It can also help prevent a tumble, which reduces pain and injury potential in a wreck as well. Another thing they do is they're very difficult to wear through, so it really bolsters the abrasion resistance in that critical impact zone. They're able to do all that while remaining almost invisible on the glove. They're totally out of the area where you touch the controls, so you don't ever even notice that they're there. Other features and benefits. We've got a goatskin palm, leather chassis, additional overlay here in the area where your hands are most often in contact with the handlebars. See a little maximum comfort, which is not bullshit. Additional overlay of leather here on the pinky and the side of the palm. Critical impact zone. In the event of a crash, TPR knuckle protector, little knuckle protectors there, motion panels in all the knuckles, localized perforation here on the back of the hand. Entry and exit is managed with Velcro right up here. Nice opening. Covering the end of the ulna, there is a piece of foam right there underneath the leather to help manage some impact in that area. You can see the cuff of the glove is really slim, so you're going to be able to get the sleeve of almost any jacket over that without any worry. The glove is also a fully lined glove, which really takes that level of comfort to the next notch up, right? They feel so good with that lining when you slide your hands in there. This is a brand that we recently acquired the rights of distribution here in the US. My son Max is running it, right? I'm there supporting him as well. This is a brand we believed in so much that when our buddy Lee was gonna, retire, wanted to move on from it, the opportunity was there for us. We had a lot of history with Racer, selling it through STG for many seasons. Great feedback from the customers that we jumped on it because it really aligned with the values of our company. It's a great product. We're proud to be a part of it now and for many years forward. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. And I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.